Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition add-on. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Prince Farmers Dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Prince Farmers Dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Prince Farmers Dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys. Way longer than usual. Everything you guys are going to need is in my inventory, guys. So what you guys are going to need first, you're going to need blocks of lapis. And what you're going to do with these, you're going to place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need blocks of redstone, and you want to place 1 of these on each side of the lapis blocks, guys. And it should look just like that. And then what you want to do is you want to just go ahead, jump on up, and place 3 lapis blocks. So 1, 2, 3. And then 1 redstone block on top. And then you might want to look around, make sure that you don't see Herobrine, Caprol, and no Transformers coming right for you. Oh my god, was that him? No, I don't think so. But it would have been cool if it would have been. Let's go ahead and jump on down, guys. Ow, that kind of hurt. And then you just want to go ahead and you want to put 3 on this side, so right there, then 2 in the middle, and then 1 redstone on this side, and boom, shapow, blam-a-ding-ding-dong, boom, it is finished. That is what it should look like, guys, once it is finished. Wow, that looks amazing. Now it's time to go ahead and light this baby up. Boom! I hope you guys have your sunglasses on because whew, that is blinding, guys. But it looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. Let's go ahead and grab our enchanted golden apples and head on in, guys. Whee! Oh my god. Just jumps right through, guys. Let's go ahead and try to head to this awesome dimension, guys. Oh my god, that loaded up quick. Way quicker than I thought it was going to load up, guys. And oh my god, it's 2 Transformers fighting each other. Wow. This is cool, guys. I gotta wonder if you can get inside these Transformers, though. Wow, they look amazing. If you can get inside them, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my villager in one, and then I'm going to hop in the other one, and I'm going to try to fight them, guys. Let's go ahead and see if we can head on inside. This looks like a dead end, guys. Let's go ahead and try to head in from the other side, guys. Maybe we got to head in from the other side. Come on, come on. I see some red carpet. Ooh, this must be a good sign, guys. We're actually heading into a Transformer, guys. Wow, this is amazing. I did not think we was going to be able to head into the Transformer. I gotta wonder if they're actually able to walk. Like, if you're actually able to control them and, like, able to walk and kick and punch, that would be amazing, guys. That would be pretty amazing if you could do all that. Oh my god, what is this? This is obviously his head. Whoa. Oh my god, I can see the Transformer from her, guys. I'm gonna actually first shoot. Are you ready? Are you ready to fight me, bro? I think he's ready, guys. I'm gonna kick his butt. Let's go ahead and try to make the jump. Ooh, ow. Ow, that hurt. That really hurt, guys. But wow, just take a look at how humongous these Transformer machines are, guys. I gotta wonder if I'm going to be able to make it. I do not know if I'm going to be able to make this jump. Let me go ahead and try to jump on over there, guys. Oh, I missed. Oh, no. Oh, my God. I thought I was just going to be, like, smashed into the ground, like, dead, guys. Somehow, I ended up surviving that. Let's go ahead and enter the Transformer, guys. And I'm going to try to kill that villager if I can. I'm going to try to blow TNT over his way, guys. Heroes over his way. Whatever I have, it is heading his way, guys. Look at him. He's up there. He's doing circles, guys, because he already knows I'm going to kick his butt. Let's go ahead and head on up, guys. It is actually a long walk getting all the way to the top of these Transformers, guys, but I guess it kind of figures because they are absolutely huge, guys. And there's a lot of redstone stuff going on in here, guys, so I'm wondering if they might be able to walk. But let's go ahead and eat our enchanted golden apple and start flicking the switches, guys. Wow, nothing happened? Oh, I see some explosions. Ooh, TNT's flying at him, guys. Ooh, come on, get him. What? It didn't even damage him. Didn't damage him at all, guys. Maybe we're just not flicking it fast enough. Come on. Start shooting out some TNT. Wow. Is it really not going to get him? Now it's getting him, guys. Come on. Boom. Oh, we just took out his arm, guys. Oh my god, he's firing back. No, do not fire back. Stop it, villager. Ooh, but he ain't got a stomach anymore, guys. We took his stomach. Now when he eats food, it's just gonna go through his mouth. You're gonna be able to see it in his belly, guys. But oh my god, he blew both of our arms off. Oh my god, and now he's trying to blow our head off. You're not even playing fair anymore. I can't even do anything with these because we have no arms, guys. Like, no arms whatsoever. Like, he absolutely destroyed us, guys. I know what I gotta do now. I gotta eat an enchanted golden apple and a bandit ship. A bandit ship, let me out. Oh my god, he is really blowing us up. I gotta abandon this ship. Ooh. Wow, I cannot believe he actually did that to us. He actually blew our arms completely off of our body, and ooh, I am really messed up, guys. Like, he really messed up my transformer. Like, look at his transformer, and look at my transformer. He definitely beat us, guys. Like, he beat the heck out of us. I wouldn't have been surprised if he would have ripped off one of my legs and just started beating me over the head with it, guys. Because, like, he was really good, guys. But I have to say, overall, guys, it was just a really fun dimension. Let me know what you guys thought about it down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.